Hello, hello, and welcome, YouTube. Welcome to TK's Foodie Diaries. I am your host, TK, and I greatly appreciate you joining me again today. So today I have a quick video for you. It's going to be a short one. It's going to be how to season a cast iron skillet. So I'm going to jump right into it. So as you can see, I have my cast iron skillet that has been used quite a bit and requires a little love. So you just clean your skillet, get them pressed out as much as you can. It's going to look kind of rough like it does here, but it's okay because as you can see, I'm taking what I think was about a tablespoon of oil. I did not measure it, and I'm just wiping it around on the inside. You want to get just a thin layer of oil, not too much. If you have too much oil, it will make the pan sticky and it will pretty much defeat the purpose of seasoning your cast iron skillet, because you don't want food to stick to your pans. So just wiping it around here, getting a nice thin layer. And again, you want a thin layer. I can't stress that enough. You can't have too much of a good thing. So just getting it around there. And I don't know if you notice, I'm using oven mitts to hold it, and that's because I read that when you season a hot cast iron skillet, it actually receives the oil better. So I already had my oven preheated to, or should I say, I put the skillet in the oven at 450 degrees, and I'm just wiping down the back or the bottom and the sides here. Alright, so my oven is already set to 450, so I'm just going to be sliding this into the oven upside down. I can't remember why it's supposed to be upside down, but I did see that on the manufacturer's website. So letting it sit for an hour in the oven upside down, and you'll get to see the end result in just a second. I probably could have used a little bit more oil, but I'm going to be using this pan right away to prepare a nice Sunday dinner. So I'll be back. And until then, take care and thanks for joining me.